All right, I had some technical difficulties there. So how does everything sound? 1 2 1 2. As you can see with the background, we're at a different command center. Different command center in the background. As you can see, I moved rooms, I moved my computer and everything like that. So I had to get all my everything set up, and apparently I didn't have my mic set up. But like I was saying, go Lions. We play today at 3. That's why we're doing an early stream. We're going to be doing probably about an hour, maybe a little longer than an hour. So if everything sounds good, we'll rock and roll. Let me know. So BTC right now, man's holding up at that 618 pretty good. We got a double wick down to that 618. We're about ready to flip bullish here on the day chart, losing that bearish momentum rather quickly on the day chart with the RSI pretty much reset around 46. Now, if we draw a horizontal line here at the 46, the bears. We draw a horizontal line here at 46. We do see general support areas around this 46 area. It's a pretty heavy resistance area, and it's a pretty heavy support area on the RSI. So for BTC, what I'm currently looking out for is working our way back up towards that 786. The 618 has came in big since the beginning of December. After we broke over it, we've tested it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 different times. We've tested the 618. And what we're currently expecting here, in my personal opinion, is probably a rally back up Indicators are showing signs of bearish movement weakening with a bullish movement ahead. Probably haven't watched football in 5 years. I like football. Current downtrend for BTC as well has been broken. Believe it or not, our downtrend since January 11th, our micro downtrend that we've been in for 10 days has been broken. So we'll have to see what that entails as well. We got this nice green buy signal, deep buy signal on the WTX. We got that reversal signal here on the RSI with the MACD that's bullish. So we'll keep an eye on BTC. I think there's a good chance that we could be heading up to around that 44,000 BTC and then inevitably smacking back into that 786 right here. They're around 44, 45. However, we just want to focus on this $40,000 618 area. That is an area we do not want to break. We do not want to break below the 618. Otherwise, we'll see heavier capitulation. Now, if we toss the volume profile on here, we might get a little bit more data for us. Yeah, that is going to be the resistance area right there. You can see the main resistance area with the volume profiles at around $43,000. So that's what currently we're going to be keeping a close eye on. $44,000 for BTC. Oh, but other than that, man, spot ETF got approved. We touched 50 and then we just rugged. Sucks. It is what it is, man. But we've been printing money on these meme coins. I tell you what, we've been printing money on these meme coins. Oh, let's look at some other ones. A0, I think we actually went over that on Friday. And that did, oh man, that's disgusting. We need to hold up at this 382. Oh my gosh, A0 is about ready to tank back down to $1. But good thing on the 4-hour chart though, I mean, if you want some bullishness, we did get a buy signal, deep buy signal. Usually when we get the buy signals, we see large reversals back to the upside on the WTX. RSI is pretty reset as well. We got kind of a double bottom confirmed since January 9th and January 20th. So hopefully this 382 comes big. As you can see, the main volume's right down there as well. So that's going to act as a very good support area. So if we fall below, if we fall below this 382, man, it's lights out. So hopefully we don't. Hopefully we head back up to that 618. But if we do head back up to that 618, you know, that could be forming a head and shoulders type pattern, which in turn is bearish as well. So we'll just keep a close eye on AL0. Like I said, it was my largest holding for over a year, but my baby bonk bag actually flipped my A0 bag last week. Yeah, so this is what I'm currently keeping an eye out for AL0. Hopefully we don't come all the way back onto the uptrend. But indicators are showing bullish signs, bullish signs for a reversal. Like indicators losing this bearish momentum. We have the RSI about ready to flip at a general support area. Wow, we're at a very powerful support area actually. Let's see. No, we do have a little bit more ways to drop. RSI is probably gonna drop a little bit further before we see a reversal. Yo, chef in the house, what's up? What's up? Got my Lions jersey on. Go Lions. Play today. Oh. Against the Buccaneers, Tampa Bay. Yeah, so AL0, man, hopefully this holds up, otherwise it's going back down to $1. Yo, Pedro, what's up? What's up? The meme king. Yeah, as you can see, I have a new background, new setting. I moved command centers from a corner in the basement to an actual room in the house. So that's why I don't have a green screen on actually. So kind of nice. It actually makes the quality of the camera a little bit better and gives it more of a realistic type feel. What's up, Paul? How you been? How about H-bar? H-bar suck. No, I'm just kidding. H-bar has been very surprising. And on top of that, after we chart H-bar, we're gonna chart a coin on H-bar called Karate that's going to go to a multi-billion market cap, I strongly believe. And it's pretty much a coin that's just been running up with no pullback. So H-bar here on the day chart. Uh-oh, my light turned off. 1 second. There we go. So H-bar right here on the day chart is about ready to flip bullish. As you can see on the MACD is losing its bearish momentum, heading up towards a bullish crossover with the RSI reset at around 50. Same with the WTX. The WTX is pretty low as well. But you do tend to go down to those green areas. So let's draw a short-term fib and kind of assess what's going on here. So this is the lifelong fib that's on it right now. But if we draw the short-term fib from the top to the bottom right here, what we can currently see is we have support here at the 0.5. So let's actually zoom in and take a closer look at the short term. So short term, I'm bullish. So short term, I think this was the start point right here, June of 2023. As you can see, we put in a high, higher low, higher high. I think you're going to be seeing a higher low right here, or possibly down to the 382, and then you'll start making your way up to that 1236. So what I'm kind of expecting here is, yes, I think H bars will be putting in some higher highs here, probably towards February, February, March. Just in the meantime, the 618 has just been pretty difficult for us. Even though we're about ready to flip bullish, I'd be keeping an eye on that 618 at around 8 cents. 8 cents is your moon line for H bar. If you end up overtaking that 8 cents, then we can talk about running up to that 1236. Regardless though, H bar does seem to have bottomed, and we are in the first steps of our bull run right now. So fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully this is a giant reverse BART pattern, right? Hopefully we have that giant reverse BART pattern, and then we just go straight up like that. Or a Hershey cup, whatever you want to call it. This is not financial advice, but it kind of is, but it's absolutely not. Can you catch my drift? Dude, karate is on MEXC, and karate has just been absolutely going to the moon. They have their fight here on the 5th. Look at that. Look at that chart. That's absolutely disgusting. And it's only it's only a couple, let's see. I think it's only like $20 million market cap right now. No, 44, dang. We had it still to us when it was in the Discord when it was I think it was like 12 mil. Now it's at 44 mil. Yeah, this is easily going to go to a multi-billion-dollar market cap, I believe. And look at Karate Combat. It's been on Joe Rogan's podcast. They actually have utility behind it. What it is a coin they can bet on fights with, which is sponsored by HBAR. For example, if we actually go to their website, you can actually download their wallet on Android and iOS, and then you put your karate on there. And you've probably seen these if you watch YouTube, like YouTube Shorts and stuff. They call this a conversation pit, the type of ring that it is. So it's not in an octagon, it's in a conversation pit with slanted walls. There's no grappling, there's no ground and pound. I guess it's the highest knockout rate because they can't grapple and ground and pound. So it's pretty entertaining to watch, believe it or not. Yeah, Karate Combat Kick Part 1, January 26, invite only. So crazy. So that's gonna be the next fight, is the 26. And what you do is you buy karate and you put it on your wallet that you download off, you know, the Apple or Android store, and you bet on these fights. It actually has a use case. You can view all the fighters, view all their data on it and everything like that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, web app, news, fighters, events. I can buy tickets, Joel. Wow. Yeah, see, it's just in conversation pits like this. They have huge watch parties on their Discord. So this is what Karate Coin is. And this is actually sponsored by HBAR. HBAR is the one that created this. Usually in the center of the ring's a giant HBAR logo. So I definitely check it out. Karate Coin right now, man, we're up 7.6%. Up 7.6%. Yeah, this thing's running with no pullbacks right now. We've been overbought since December 3rd, and we're still running. Oh, shoot. And as of right now for Karate Coin, if we did see some sort of pullback, it would be back down to the 786 right here around 005. I'd keep an eye on 005. Worst case scenario is the 618 right here, because if you break below 005 right here, there's a price volume gap, which in turn will bring you down to the 618. But from past experience, leading up to a fight, the coin hardly ever pulls back. Every small pullback's bought up because people can actually bet with this coin. So every time there's a very, very small pullback, it's bought up. As you can see, we don't really have large dips after they announce the fight date. You have a little dip right here, it's bought up. You have a little dip right here, it's bought up. You have a little dip here, it's bought up. You don't see any very large red candles. And that's because people want to buy it cheap, you know, even a couple cents cheaper, a couple micro cents cheaper. They want to stack it so they can bet on those fights, you know. And You can be pretty profitable off those fights. So as of right now, man, with a small market cap, this might be just a great buy and hold, even if you don't gamble. We are I actually started getting into it down here in this general area, but I put like 1K in at that, and I haven't bought any since, and I'm just holding it to see where it goes. But with the use case and being talked about on Joe Rogan's podcast, and Joe Rogan was talking about actually hosting one of these himself, and it was on what's that guy's name, that douchebag, Logan Paul was talking about it and everything as well. So we'll see. It's very, very small market cap. It just came out this year. It actually came out in May of 2023, so not this year, it's 2024 now. So I think the best case would probably be a slight pullback here, and then once the fight comes, it usually goes parabolic. See, this is when they didn't have fights. Then once they had their first fight, this thing just started ripping without any pullbacks. It's built on it's built on H bar. Yep. I'm extremely bullish on this coin. I don't have a whole lot of it, but I'm extremely bullish on it. I mean, I bought a decent sized bag when it was down here, and I'm just gonna hold it for the bull run. It's only at a $44 million market cap. I think it can easily go over $1 billion. So what is that? That's at least a 20-30x from where we're at. 20-30x from where we're at. Yeah, so karate is super bullish on. Yo, what's up? It looks like the Solordians turned in strong to the stream tonight. Yeah, let's take a look at Solordi. Solo to the moon, man. I can't believe we got into this early. We got into it right back here. Nuts. So we are currently forming a top right here, but we're actually looking pretty bullish, honestly. I thought we were going to see some sort of correction right here, but we're holding up very, very strong with this uptrend. The pullbacks are getting smaller, even though we're finding resistance against the 0035. If we look at the 4-hour indicator, we're actually losing our bearish momentum right here. You can see how we have red candles and then a lighter red candle. We want this to continue to be a lighter red candle. As you can see, we're flirting with a dark red, light red right now for Solordi. But your make or break moment is getting over that 0035. You get over that, you have a good chance of running up to that 1272 right here, which from where we're currently at is another 228%, so another 2.2x if we get over that 3.5 cents. Now, similar situation that we've been in since right here. We had a similar situation. We were running into the 0.5, and then we ran up, and then we found a similar situation where we were running right here, and we got listed on CoinMarketCap and we ran up, and now we're consolidating like that. I was actually kind of expecting a pullback right here, and I was saying, hey, we're probably going to be seeing a pullback unless some sort of catalyst comes in, like the NFT release or CoinMarketCap comes in. And CoinMarketCap came in, and look what happened. We had this huge god candle, and now we're just smacking into this resistance at 0035. So 0035 is the current resistance area for Solordi. If we end up breaking out of this uptrend and putting in a lower low, I think a retracement down to the 38, or what is this? Yeah, this is the 786 here around 1.5 would be the case. And that would actually be beneficial, in my personal opinion. It would allow these indicators to cool off. You've been pretty high in the RSI since January 9th. So if we do happen to see a retracement, I wouldn't be too worried about it. I would consider that a better DCA opportunity, because that would allow these indicators to cool off and allow you to pick up some moon juice at the moon juice factory for your next ascension to the stars. So in the meantime, that's the case. Keep an eye on 3.5. If we fall below that uptrend, keep an eye on 1.5. Indicators are losing their bearish momentum, and yeah, hopefully we break over that 3.5. You break over the 3.5, it's going to 1272. Lucky to be an board member for life. Yep. For real. Yeah, we found this. We got in early. I showed it to the Discord. The Discord got in early. Discord got in right here as well. So if they held, they'd be up the same as me. They'd be up 45x. Yeah, so if the Discord got in and stayed in, they'd be up 45x as well. Yo, happy Sunday. Sunday football, Lions play at 3, so go Lions. Yeah, I need a drink. I'm already talking too much. Lordy to the moon. Yeah, so yeah, I'm extremely bullish on this coin. I'm extremely bullish on Karate. Believe it or not, I helped produce the NFTs for Solordi. If you would know that, you're a board member. But yeah, I actually, the NFTs that they're dropping, I helped produce those. It's pretty cool. Been a pretty active part of this. It's pretty cool watching it from start to finish unfold. Who's on top of the division? We are. Lions are, believe it or not. Our NFTs. Okay, so after that, we're gonna be looking at the coin that's just been making me mad money. We found this. Oh shoot, come on, bro. Where are we at? We found this when it was a $2 million market cap. It's currently at an $11 million market cap. I'm heavy baby bonk. I bought in a ton back here and it actually flipped my A0 bag. That's how, and they haven't even launched their game yet. So as of right now for Baby Bonk, hopefully this isn't a double top, because if it's a double top, we're heading back down to 1412 micro pennies. If we look at the short hour or short-term time frame, the MACD is still bullish. I'm just kind of concerned on whether this is gonna be a double top or not. If it is, I'll pull back down to around 2236 to be the play, and then if you break below that, you're going back down to the 618. But they're getting listed on BitGet tomorrow. Tomorrow is their BitGet list day. They've already paid for it. It's already on there. They got listed on BitGet. They're dropping their NFTs. They're dropping their NFTs, which are playable. It's playable for the game that's coming out in February. They're dropping their NFTs this week. So I'm actually going to be unloading a pretty penny on those NFTs as well, buying the top packs. So this is my get rich or get wrecked play. Get rich or get wrecked play. So what we need to focus on is overtaking 3024. If we don't do that, we're pulling back down to 2261. It's actually looking like we want to pull back down to 2261. So on the 1 hour, it actually looks like a double top forming. Yeah, and here's your uptrend on the 1 hour. So something like this could be at play, something like that, and then rally up to the 1272. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm just diamond handing this. I have it set on my ledger. I can't access my ledger. Just have that locked away in the safe and just holding it. Diamond hands, diamond hands. Keep telling you guys to buy Ralph 6.6 mil tokens, full supply release day one. Dev has no keys, no issue more. It's going off. Where do you buy it? Ralph Saucer Swap. Okay. I think you did tell me that. This one, the one on Avalanche, isn't Saucer Swap H-bar? Holy moly. Is this the Grelf you're talking about? Because if so, it has a, that's on Trader. This can't be it. Are they not on Dex Screener or Dex Tool? Because I really can't find any other ones. This is the only one I see. So he said Saucer Swap. I don't think it's on here either. Pangolinian. Maybe it's on Dex Tools. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere, dude. Unless you're talking about this one, and that's one we're looking at. Oh, dang legs. AR NFTs, yep. Scion, who's on? So I'm not sure. I'll wait to see if you can find it. Just drop a link in the Discord. Hang on, got some. All right. So another coin we've been keeping a close eye on here is Baby Grok CEO. I got into this one last week. Supposedly they're supposed to be listed on Bitmart tomorrow, between tomorrow and the 25th. Now, we actually did buy in down here. I'm not saying this coin's gonna go to the moon or anything like that, but I like the setup. $64,000 of liquidity, which is locked, $104,000 of market cap. And if you actually look at the token that itself, they burnt 61% of the supply. Yeah, right here, 207, 100,000 million billion trillion. 207, oh no, it's not 207 trillion. Let me go to holders. There we go. Yeah, right here, Dead Wallet owns 63.37% of the supply. So they already burnt 67% of the supply. 11% is on Pancake Swap, and 9% is on Pink Sale, which is locked on their V2. About 21 million of this is getting unlocked on the 25th. That they're saying that is being used for sex listings, so for exchange listings. So that's always something to take into consideration, kind of worrisome, like, hey, you're getting a huge amount of coins unlocked. What are you using these coins for? They say that they're using it for exchange listings, but remember, it's a really new coin. Not 100% sure if it's not a rug or not yet, but I am in this coin. If it runs back up, if it runs back up, I think you can go to 1 million, 3 million plus easy, which is a 10 to 30x from where we're currently at. So this is more of a riskier type play than I normally do, but I've been playing these baby coins the last couple of weeks, and they've been playing out pretty good. So I just have a feeling about this one here. So hopefully what they're saying is true and they get listed on Bitmart, and we'll go absolutely to the moon. They did have an AMA yesterday morning, which I did listen to, and it sounded reasonable. So we'll see. But buy fear, sell greed, right? Get rich, get wrecked. Fuck has ear to the bar street, yeah. Bora, please. Probably nothing to see, but like, yeah, we can look at Bora. Bora's down 0.9% at 15 cents, $149 million market cap, has a max supply of 1.2 billion with 993 million coins in circulation. That looks heavily manipulated here on the day chart. Currently available the following. Oh, it's available on BitGet. Okay, BitGet, Clay, OKX, BingX, Play Swap. What's the market cap on this? 149 million. Can I tell you some news on Solority? Yeah, we went over Solority a couple coins ago. I can't really drop any alpha. I can say they've been in talks with exchanges. That's about it. All right, Bora right now. We're gonna ignore the scam wick, the scam wicks. You still are in your downtrend that you've been in since October of 2022, but you actually are putting in higher lows as well. So what I'd be keeping a close eye out for Bora is hopefully breaking out of this downtrend. Now, what would that take? Top to bottom right here. You're currently finding support at the 618. This was a pretty heavy resistance area back in November of 2023. You can see you tested it multiple times before you broke above it, and then once you did break above that area, it was a pretty good support. You can see it was a support multiple days in a row here in December before we fell below it. So I think the 618 has a very good chance of holding up for you, and if that's the case, that would give you another run up to the 786 at around 15, and then inevitably breaking over that 16 cents and then sending you higher. But we're not bullish until we break out of this downtrend. And you've been in this downtrend according to BitGet for a long time. And if we actually find a different chart that has more data on it, would gate another, or would this have more data on it? And this would have more data. We've actually been in a downtrend since the coin came out, since March of 2022. But I mean, we've seen it multiple times. There's coins that go down for a couple years and they undo it in a matter of 2-3 weeks. Like seriously. So I wouldn't be too concerned about it. It's just in the short term, you need to break out of that downtrend that you're in. Indicators are looking a little bearish here on the day chart, but they probably look bullish on the short term. Yeah, indicators look bullish on the short term, which would verify that movement back up to around 17 to 18 cents, and then we'd reassess the situation. So as of right now, I'm kind of indifferent on it. Not extremely bullish, not extremely bearish. It just hasn't started its bull cycle yet. We just need to break over this downtrend. So that's my thoughts. Solidity AMAs are awesome. Yeah, what I need to do some days, just have a live stream and have Solordi and the gang join me, and we can do like a stream together on the channel or something. Talk about what they've been doing since day one. Pedro, wrong one, bud. Oh shoot, boron deck screener. Whoops. Well, whoever wants to know about that, Bora, there it is. Bora, don't forget to hit the like button. Yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button, help my channel grow. As you can see, I really haven't been posting a whole lot of videos just because the market's really not doing a whole lot. It's much more fun just doing live streams when the market is very, very indecisive. Once we get more bullish or bearish, I'll start doing individual coins again. But as of right now, until Bitcoin decides what it's going to do, we'll probably just stick with the live streams. So you said Bora. I'm guessing it's the one with the 63,000 liquidity. Oof. Well, 64,000 locked with $500,000 liquidity. It's only been out for 1 day, 1 hour, so really not a whole lot you can do based off of that amount of data. All you can really do when it's only out for this short period of time is check their socials. Are they active on Twitter? Are they active in their Telegram? You see they joined January 2024. They posted 20 hours ago. They posted 3 hours ago. They posted 23 hours ago, 22, 8. So they've been pretty active on Twitter, so that means it hasn't rugged yet. I'm not saying it's going to. And another thing to do is to check their Telegram. They log into their Telegram with official Twitter tweet Bora with that. Let me join the channel real quick. As of right now, you can't even post in the channel. It looks like it's only dropping updates. So yeah, I really don't have a whole lot to say. It's too new. It's too new. Definitely do your own research. So we got the Solordi group here. We got some hearts. We got some ats. We got some downwards or some more buys. We got the meme team where you guys can actually make memes for Solordi for them to share it on their social medias, which is crazy. And the, oh, can't go to that one. That one's solo execs. That's the board members. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. They're pretty active, guys. Definitely a sleeper. Yeah, see, look at that. Those are the NFTs. Those are NFTs. Not bragging, but those are going to be pretty badass. Kevin, what's up with PRQ 20-30% swing? Man, I think I said it on a couple live streams ago. I exited my PRQ position. I thought PRQs were like PRQ is going to do perfectly fine in the bull run. We've had this channel drawn for a while. What is this channel? It's not even valid. This channel drawn for a while. Like, I like what PRQ does, but by a, I guess you can say, utility standpoint, but I thought it was going to blast off a lot sooner. It's probably going to go to, well, I think it's only, what, a couple $100 million market cap right now. Oh shoot, I don't want to look on there. I want to look on here. Yeah, it's only a $27 million market cap with actually a pretty small circulating supply for such a small market cap, only 210 million. That's not a whole lot for a coin listed on so many exchanges. It's actually listed on Coinbase, OKX, Gate.io, KuCoin. So they're listed on some pretty big exchanges. So I have no doubt in my mind in the bull run, they'll perform exceptionally well. If we actually look at the max compared to the market cap, you can see they really haven't put a whole lot more coins in circulation. We don't see a we don't see a heavy deviation besides a small one here on October 2021. So, I mean, last bull run high, they got up to a $250 million market cap. So I don't see why they can't overtake that and go further this bull run. This thing's been blowing up my notifications. Yeah. We'll start fresh. Yeah, I was actually pretty heavy in PRQ, but it wasn't really doing much, so I exited. Yeah, as of right now for PRQ, keep an eye on probably a continual retracement back down to around 11 cents and then 10 cents. 10 cents looks like what it's going to be retracing to. We have the indicators which were bullish, losing their bullish momentum. If we look at the RSI is trying to put in a higher high, but we have this downtrend to contend with right here. So keep an eye on that downtrend around 64, 65. If we break above that, then we can start seeing a breakout, which in turn would break us out of this downtrend that we've been in. I think we've been in a lifelong, or did we just break it? It's crazy because this thing has some huge wicks. Like, see, we've wicked above this downtrend, but we haven't officially broken out yet. So that's what we're going to be keeping an eye on, is breaking out of this downtrend. We haven't broke out since July of 2022, since the high. So hopefully it's soon. But yeah, I'd be expecting probably a decent sized pullback right here, back down to the 0.5 or 382 before we made another run at that downtrend resistance area. So we'll keep a close eye. Am I still in on time? Yeah, I still have my time bag. It's not as big as a lot of people think, but I bought time a long time ago. I bought time a long time ago. She's making the same swing before blow up like Nia. Maybe she goes to $1+ hopefully. Good old time. We've been covering this thing for, I feels like, for years. The bullish megaphone. That hypothesis still valid. It's still valid. We got our 1, 2. Hang on, am I even on log? Here we go. We got our 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're working on our wave 5. Right? So I mean, we can just continue moving this, move the goalpost, right, until we make it. All this, it just takes one whale coming in for time due to the small market cap and small circulating supply. Now, I wouldn't be tossing a whole bunch of money in on this, but it only has a $15 million market cap with 710,000 coins in circulation. You could have a whale come in here and buy this up and just manipulate the crap out of it. One big buy, and it's going straight up. And as you can see, we've been consolidating for quite a while. We've been pretty much the same price since November 2023. Usually we never consolidate. Last time we consolidated like this was right here, but we saw the sideways consolidation, then we went straight up. And before that, we saw the downtrend and the slight movement and the sideways consolidation right here, and then straight up. So maybe we're gearing up for that. Maybe we're gearing up for that consolidation. That consolidation, and then just going straight up from there. Consolidation, then straight up. Straight up to 500. CC, we look at King Bonk. Yeah, we can look at King Bonk. I actually saw King Bonk on Pink Sale. We could have got in early on King Bonk on Pink Sale. I thought about it, but I didn't want to get in on Solana. So Solana, $9.7 thousand liquidity is locked. Market cap's only 16K. The only reason I deviate from Solana is because I've been messing around with Solana coins for probably about a month now. A majority of the Telegram groups that I join of the projects, they are always asking people to donate for funds for marketing, because Solana coins, they don't have a tax. They can't earn any passive income or money for marketing off of buys and sells. So they ask the community for donations to market. And if you don't want to donate, what do? They have to sell some of their allotment of coins to get money for marketing. So that's one of the only concerns I have about some of these Solana meme coins. But it's actually not looking bad, honestly. I mean, if you draw this right here, it's actually looking like it's either going to be breaking out or we're falling off the table. So this is actually going to be decided, I would say decided in the next couple hours. 4 hour. Yeah. Either we are about to break out heavy to the upside, or this thing's about ready to just get rugged. This is actually a good buying hang on. Now you're getting me interested on it. Yeah, last time it was down this low, you had a good buying opportunity from here, and this thing ran, oh man, it doesn't show the percentage. It ran a lot, let's just say that. So if we actually break out of this, you'd be breaking out of your lifelong downtrend that you've been in since the 17th. And usually that's when you start going straight vertical. So let's take a look at this. King Bonk, do they have any big catalysts coming up? Check it out, Dev Wallet of Bonk. King Bonk, you get number 5 Dex tools. King Bonk, do they have any Dex? Oh, they haven't posted on here since the 17th. That's a red flag. Yeah, I'd be cautious. They haven't posted on their Facebook or Twitter since the 17th. They're not that active on Twitter. Telegram. Have to verify. Disclaimer, part of, blah, 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 track, blah, 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 disclaimer, start. Sending messages in this group is not allowed. So I'd be cautious of this. They're not posting on their Twitter. They actually blocked you from talking in their Telegram group. They don't have any pinned posts either. Not saying it's a rug, but there's just a lot of red flags are coming out. But yeah, I mean, if it was going to do anything, it would be very, very soon. It'd be in the next day or so. Papa Smurf, welcome. We got Brandon. Papa Smurf, good afternoon. Time is my biggest bag that I'm patiently... Time, man. All you have to do is be patient. Time will have its time, as we say. Please, Kitty AI. Yo, what is this? Wow, look what it did on the 16th of December. Insane. See, this is usually what happens to a lot of coins when they first come out. A lot of people are hung up on this charts like this. You have your initial investors, you know, your pre-salers, they sell, and then you go down, right? And then eventually you go up. But I mean, this was a very, very long time of, this was a whole year of just going sideways. Like, that's horrible. May all the way till here, and then it just comes alive out of nowhere. Oh, okay, it was a rug token and the community took over. Okay, so it can't be rugged because it already got rugged. I see what you're saying. I mean, you've been holding an uptrend since December, that's for sure. Huge run up right there, followed by a huge correction. But after that huge correction, what we currently are seeing here is some sort of pennant forming. So what I'd be keeping a close eye out for this coin is probably a movement back up to that downtrend resistance area, which is at about 6269, and hopefully eventually once you get up there you break through it. So from where we're currently at, I would be expecting another 50% move to the upside. If we did break out of this, we could see another large move similar to that. Now I don't know if they have any catalysts coming up, such as getting listed on exchanges or anything like that, or if they're just chugging along posting memes and stuff. Regardless, if we draw a fib from the top to the bottom and then take it and then zoom in here, yeah, your next resistance could be at the 382 at around 4444, and then inevitably the 618. So it's getting listed on the 24th on Swift. So hopefully that's a catalyst. Once you break out of this downtrend, you could be seeing some very, very large movement to the upside. Has a $379 million market cap, which the liquidity is locked. It'll be available to trade with mostly all cryptos. Yeah, so I'd be keeping an eye on it then. Fortunately, I don't mess around with Solana coins anymore. Yeah, moving back up to the downtrend. Time does look good. Yeah, time actually really does look good. Like, this is a very, very nice accumulation. Oh shoot, accumulation phase that it's in. I need to get all my drawings back. I can't believe I deleted my fibs. I deleted. There we go. No, I even deleted my. There we go. Elliott waves. Elliott waves. Yeah, time doesn't look bad. It's just crazy how he spent from March of 2023 all the way till October 2023 smashing buy signals on the WTX for it just to fall like this. The run-up's going to be epic, though. I think the run-up's going to be huge. I do. Let's look at some pink sale. So I've made some good money doing these pre-sales on pink sale. I've been looking for B&B ones, some decent ones. You know, there's some baby coins that you can get. This is how you get in the coins before they actually launch on pink sale. You know, the pre-sale. You go to pinksale.finance. What I like to do is I filter by KYC. It helps, makes it more safe. Like this one right here, Baby Samo. That might not be a bad play. Baby coins are my go-to right now. You have Mini Myro, B&B Grok. So sale ends in 19 hours. Yo, I might actually get into this. So it's safe to view the details. You can view all the details on it. What's the badge mean and everything like that for the coin. It's been audited. The creators of it are KYC'd. So the sale's live. Let's view this real quick. Oh man, the most you can invest in is only one BNB. I can pull off one BNB's worth. Cost one BNB on Baby Samo. The most adorable BSC puppy. It's audited, KYC, safe, experienced team, old project at a 267x. The based team coin market cap, fast tracked, CoinGecko fast trap, CN I don't know what these are. Coin Sniper. Market cap, blah 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 blah. Trending at launch, media releases. So the initial market cap on it right now at launch is 64,000. Yeah, I might actually get in on this. Let me see. So that we have what are the taxes on it? Pre-sale liquidity, Baby Samo Labs, marketing, sexes, advisor, partnerships, unlock. Unlock time 224, 224, 224. Also, there's a whole bunch getting unlocked on the 24th. Yeah, I might keep an eye on this. Where's the links to their, there we go, their Twitter. So we got their Twitter. No posts yet. And this is kind of a red flag too, like new accounts that say they've joined from March, like this says it joined March of 2022 and it has no post. So obviously it's a burner account that they probably bought from someone. That's always something I look at too, like why is this from 2022? And then of course you have the Telegram. Always check the Telegram. That's the risk you take when getting into pre-sales. Well, yeah, that one actually doesn't look bad. Baby Samo. Yeah, this is where you can get all those pre-sales. Do. All right, so what coins do you guys want to look at? Let's see what else is pumping today. So if we go to Deck Screener, all these trending ones recently updated. We got Myro with hat, we got Harambe, Dongledag, Dog with glasses. These are all on Solana. I want Binance. Why didn't you tell me you were live? We posted it, bruv. Yeah, man, LCX broke out of its downtrend to infinity and beyond, dude. Downtrend that it was in since 2021. So you are on the first stages of your bull run. This thing's absolutely gonna smash through its all-time high. LCX all-time high was 2 years ago at 56 cents. Yeah, this thing's easily going to $1 plus. I mean, if we're already up here at 17 cents and the fun part of the bull run hasn't even started yet, I think we'll easily overtake the all-time high on this. So right now on the lifelong fib, top to bottom, we're currently working our way towards the 618. This is your goal right here. Your goal is to be above your 618, your lifelong fib. And that's what we're currently working our way up to. We have the RSI, which is tailing up. We have the MACD, which is tailing up. We have the WTX, which is tailing up. So next stop for LCX is probably the 618 right here at around 20 cents. So I'd keep an eye on 20 cents in the short term. Wow, that's approximately a 14% run up. Yeah, I'd say 14 cents is the next stop for LCX to test that 618 out. I don't think we're going to get over it on the first attempt. If anything, I think that 618 would be a pretty powerful resistance area. I think we'll probably get over on our second attempt though. But I could be wrong. I mean, we could just come over here, say knock, 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 blast right through it. We'll see though. But LCX is very, very bullish. Keep an eye on that 618 at 20 cents. I think that's the next stop. Been holding LCX for a long time. It's a regulated exchange from the EU. Oh, I did not know that. I did not. Yeah. What's running on BSC? Let's see. We go to our 24 hours top. Oh, I don't want top. Shit. I need to figure out a timer for this. Whoa, this went up 1,000,000,000% in 24 hours. What is this? Oh my goodness. That has to be a rug. But there's cells. This has to be a rug. That's disgusting. Yeah, there's no way this is real. It has a $3.61 billion market cap and it launched 18 hours ago. Dude, that is a 1,100 let me see, what is that? 113x or 1,100. I can't even see. Bill percent WTF. Yeah, this is crazy, dude. What I like to look for, I'm a strong believer in baby coins, man. They've been doing nothing but making me money. So if I do baby, click like this, I want to, oh shoot. Is there a way to just sort baby? Like if you go baby, nope. Nope, there's not. It's very unfortunate. I don't need to be gambling on these anyways. I'm already gambling on Baby Grok CEO. I think Baby Grok CEO. Yeah, Baby Grok CEO, man. They say they're getting listed between Monday and the 25th on Bitmart. And they said they paid for CoinMarketCap. So usually when coins get listed on CoinMarketCap, they go straight up. So hopefully they're telling the truth. Hopefully they're telling the truth. We'll see though. We will see though. So what's pumping on the normal side of things? What's pumping non-meme coin? Ronin's up 11%. We have Dogecoin, which is up 8.8. Yo, I think Dogechain is up like 23% today. Or it was up 20-some% today. Yeah, 21%. I'm pretty heavy in Dogechain too. Yeah, Dogechain's got to stay above the 382 right here. Has to. It really has to. If not, man, GG. If not, GG. FYI, I found time on Coinbase now, so I can buy it in my IRA. Nice. Coinbase listing should help it. Yeah, I need to get into one of those IRAs after I make it. After I make it and I get more official, I'll get a crypto IRA. Once I do crypto full time. As of now, I'm just doing it the down and dirty way. Pangolin, blah blah blah. Pangolin. Yeah, I mean you're holding up at the 618 from the initial run up point. You gotta, yeah, this is actually this thing's about ready to go. You got a buy signal on the WTX. The RSI is completely reset. The MACD is about ready to flip bullish. You've been bearish on the MACD since the 17th of December. Perfect bounce off the 618. You should be heading up for a higher high, which in turn would bring you up to the 1236 area right here. Yo, Stragahart, welcome to the live stream, man. Man, you've been making quite a few of them. It's nice to see you back. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. The day chart's looking extremely bullish. For sure. Pangolin. If Baby Grok doesn't run this week, I'll probably get out. Just FYI, they're supposed to be listing this week. They're supposed to have coin market cap this week, but if none of that happens, I might just GG. Primal. Well, Primal broke out of its downtrend that it's been in since 2023. I guess I'm looking at the right one, right? $0.0065. Whoa, only $1 million market cap. Extremely small market cap. 2 billion coins in circulation out of 5. Currently available. It's available on Gate.io, BingX, Bybit, MEXC. So a lot of exchanges. Okay, so let's get it. So Primal right now on the day chart. Unfortunately, it looks like we've topped out here. It looked like we topped out. We just put in a lower high. So in turn, a lower high brings a lower low most of the time. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 382. That 382 is sitting right smack dab on top of that support zone in the volume profile. So 0.0062 micro pennies is your life support. If you break below that, it's going to 0. If you see it bounce from here, there's a good chance you'll see a reversal back to the upside. Now, Primal right now on the indicators, we're actually bearish on the day chart on the MACD. The MACD is currently bearish, been bearish the last 2 days. RSI as well. Oh, there's not a whole lot of data here. For the RSI as well, I wouldn't be shocked if the RSI did drop just a little bit more, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that. I'd say as long as it maintains above the 382 right here, we're good to go. But I think the indicators do have a little bit more retracing to do before we see a bullish movement, because right now we did put it in a lower high, unfortunately. Since we're here, put in a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, lower, low, lower, high. Then it goes lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So just be cautious on it. It's not bullish. It's not bearish. How does HFT look? Which one? I'm guessing you're talking about hash flow. Whoa. Hash flow 7.1, $64 million market cap, 1 billion total supply, 1 billion max. So they have 175 million coins out of 1 billion. So what is that? 17% of the coins are in circulation. So I'd be kind of cautious to see what their unlocking phases are. When do they plan on unlocking tokens? Because there's still a lot of coins to be unlocked. Like, do they have a set amount to be unlocked, or can they just unlock them whenever? Now, it's currently available on the following markets: Gate.io, MEXC, XT, Binance. Oh, it's available on Binance. Crazy. All-time high was 361 last year. All-time low was last year at 20 cents, it looks like. I don't know why I'm yawning. I actually gave up coffee, believe it or not. Oh man, yeah, I gave up coffee. I drink tea now, believe it or not. Coffee was just making me like, I've been a caffeine drinker my whole life, and I was drinking a lot of coffee, and it just kept giving me the jitters. Like just one cup and I'd get like the jitters, even with a full stomach or not. So I had to give it up. So now I drink tea. I'm a tea drinker now. That's okay with me. I'm actually going to try to grow my own tea this year. I have a pretty large garden and areas. Like I have a bunch of blueberry bushes, strawberry bushes, apple trees, blackberries, and then I have a huge garden. And so I'm actually going to add a tea garden on the property. I'm going to grow all my own tea, dry it all out and everything like that. So that's my summer homesteading list. My summer homesteading plan today is, not today's homesteading plan this year is to grow my own tea. I switched to 100% beer. Yeah, I have a lot of different hobbies, I guess you could say. I haven't really been doing quite a few of them. I guess my main hobby right now is crypto, man. I got to make it, right? Got to make it so I don't have to work for the man, so I have more time to do my hobbies, right? One of the main reasons I got into crypto. I'm tired of working for people. I don't have enough free time. Life's too short to be working all the damn time. Okay, so hash flow, finally done with our rant. We kind of went off topic there. So as of right now, hash flow, what we're seeing is support here at the 618 with resistance at the 786. What we're currently, yeah, with 786, we're just seeing consolidation right now between here. What we want to see on our indicators is bullish explosion. Now we've been in this downtrend lifelong since November 2022. Indicators right now, we are actually just flipped bullish here on the day chart for HFT. We've been bearish since the 31st of December. So the entire month of January, we've been bearish until just now. We just had our crossover today on this candle. And if we look at the RSI is sitting pretty good too. The RSI is sitting neutral at around 50. We've never been overbought on this chart yet either. So technically speaking, if you just look at the longer term, we're bearish. We're not out of the lifelong downtrend. Short term, it's looking like we're about to or near that breakout point. So I don't know when that's going to be happening, if it's going to happen on this next push up or if it's going to happen on the next retracement and push up. But right now, the 618 is our life support. Let's see, horizontal line right here, and then get rid of the fib. So that's what I'd be keeping a close eye on for H flow is 33 cents. You don't want to break below 33 cents. You break below 33 cents, you'll probably fall off the table. If we just continue consolidating here, that's a better chance at breaking out. Once you break out of this downtrend, you'll most likely see a quick run up and then probably a heavy retracement to retest that for a confirmation of the breakout, and then you're good to go for the bull run. So it's nearing it. It's nearing it's nearing its breakout point, but it's not quite there yet. I drink coffee and tea at the same time. Don't say time. I switched to green tea, started 2023. I'm down 42 pounds. Wow, congrats, man. Yeah, I started drinking tea, I want to say about a month and a half ago. I bought a teapot. I bought all the loose leaf. Like, I like jasmine tea, so I have green tea mixed with jasmine, and then I have black tea mixed with jasmine and rose petals. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. You can combine them and stuff like that. My wife got me this variety pack for Christmas that, you know, just had a bunch of different flavors that I didn't try before, never tried before. And I tried one of each and then really found out that I like jasmine tea. So that's pretty much what I drink now is jasmine tea. So I'm going to grow my own jasmine plant, which is just a flower. There's no caffeine. There's no caffeine in jasmine itself. It's just a flower that you put in that makes it smell, I guess, smell girly. It actually smells really good. Simple green tea, little cane sugar. Yeah, well, I used to be a pretty heavy beer drinker. I quit drinking quite a while ago, and I used to make my own beer. So, you know, craft my own beer. I had all the brewing supplies, the kegs, the CO2, all the fermenters. Like, I had thousands of dollars wrapped up into making my own beer. And then once I had my first kid, man, I couldn't find time for it. And then I found out that drinking all the time was kind of bad for you. So I kind of gave up that craft brewing hobby of mine, gave all my equipment to my brother, and just been filling up with different hobbies since. I think the tea hobby is a good one. It's kind of similar to that, you know, crafting your own teas. Just passed no booze for 8 years. Congrats, Kevin. That's amazing. That's amazing. I haven't had any booze since, oh, I had a beer in October. But prior to that, it's been June. I want to say June, April or June. Yeah. Yeah, kids do change it. And believe it or not, my wife is actually pregnant right now with our second one. Yeah. So I have another little CC coming in July. So another little CC is going to be running around the house in July. Well, crawling around the house in July. We found out it's going to be another boy. So we're going to have 2 boys in the house. 2 boys in the house. Yeah, we have a cat, which is a girl. We have a boy cat. We have a boy dog. We have me. We have my son. My wife's going to be outnumbered. Having kids in late 30s destroyed me. Well, I'm 32. Believe it or not, I'm 32. And I have almost a 3-year-old and one on the way. And waiting for a damn thing to get moving. Our same damn time. At the same damn time. All right, what are we looking at? What do we got? Okay, Lions are on in about 40 minutes, so we don't have that much time left. Yeah, thanks, Grizz. I appreciate it, man. It's really driving me to step up my game and make it in crypto so I don't have to work anymore. That's why I went super heavy on Baby Bonk, and I'm very, very glad that I did. You know, I was playing it very, very safe, and I just decided to go for a riskier play. And Baby Bonk, man, I think Baby Bonk's actually going to bring me to the promised land before A0 does. And then hopefully Baby Grok follows suit. Bang out 10%ers for a year and you're good. Had my 5th at 42. Wow. I didn't know you had 5 kids. I knew you had kids. I didn't know you had 5. That's crazy. I always wanted a big family, but I think we're stopping at 2. I think we're stopping at 2. Uh-oh, did my internet shut down? Oh, nope. Yeah, so I just moved to my new office. As you can see, I used to just stream from a corner in my basement, but we have this extra room that was just clutter. Not clutter, it was pretty much a storage room, and I moved the storage room somewhere else and said, hey, I'm putting my office in here. So, and then I had to run internet all the way down here. That sucked. Definitely don't want to be on Wi-Fi. But this room's actually heated too. My basement, man, my basement doesn't, it's cold all year round. That's why I was always in sweatshirts and stuff that you guys saw me in. I was always in sweatshirts. I was always in wool socks. My hands would be freezing when I'm typing on the screen. Yo, Barbarian, welcome to the end of the live stream, brother. What's going on? Yo, Doge confirmed the back test here, middle of January. It's multi-year downtrend that it's been in since June of 2021. Yeah, Doge is about ready to go, and if Doge goes, that means Dogechain is going to be up huge. I would much, not financial advice, but I would much rather have Dogechain over Doge, hands down. Because we already know that Doge is going to run. Like, we already know for a fact that Doge is going to run. So if we know Doge is going to run and Dogechain is going to follow suit, you're going to get more gains on your Doge chain than your Doge. So to me, that's why I got into Dogechain. Because Dogechain is the red and green, Dogecoin is the orange. Dogechain provides utility for Dogecoin, the largest meme coin there is. And so when Dogecoin runs, Dogechain's gonna follow suit. And you know, I think Doge is probably going to $1.50 to $2. What's Dogechain? Oh man. Dogechain is probably one of the most bullish coins I think I actually have. So what Dogechain is Dogechain provides utility for Doge. If we go to their website, we've been covering Dogechain for a while, but it provides NFT games and DeFi for Dogecoin use. So it allows you to build on top of Doge. So it provides utility for Doge outside of just a payment. So there's coins now. So just like there's coins on top of Ethereum, there's coins on top of Solana. Because of Dogechain, there are now coins on top of Doge. For an example, Omnom. Omnom is a dog coin on Dogechain, which is built on top of Doge. So it's a layer 2 for Dogecoin is what it is. And it's never seen a bull run. That's why I'm super pumped about it. Most of my portfolio is built from coins that have never seen bull runs before, because those are the ones that usually see very, very large run-ups comparative to coins that have already seen bull runs before. So that's why I'm really bullish on Dogechain. So if you're bullish on Doge, not financial advice, you need to be bullish on Dogechain. And Dogechain has a much, much, much smaller market cap, as Grizz pointed out, of only $20 million. So only a $20 million market cap. Currently available on Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, Bitmart, KibbleSwap, CoinX, so a lot of different exchanges. So we have quite a bit of Dogechain actually. We do. But I've been DCAing Dogechain pretty much since here. I think this is where I first got in the Dogechain. Then I DCA'd, and then it went up and I didn't buy any. And then once it started getting back to close to my buy-in point or average, I DCA'd all this as well. So this is pretty much where I got my entry in right here. I was DCA'ing on the drops, and now I'm just holding for the bull run. With the bull run coming, shouldn't everyone go? So isn't it kind of load what you like at the price you like and come? Yeah. Some people don't think we're going to be experiencing a bull run until, you know, much later. We'll see though. Omnom do 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 do. Omnom do 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 do. Can you check Baby Bonk? Yeah, we checked Baby Bonk earlier. Baby Bonk flipped my A0 bag. And that's not for me just buying into it. That's just because we got in early and held. So my largest holding in my portfolio, I'll be transparent with you guys, is Baby Bonk now. It was Aleph 0. So what we're currently seeing here for Baby Bonk hopefully isn't a double top, but unfortunately here on the 1 hour chart, it's definitely looking like a double top for Baby Bonk, which would mean a pullback back down to either the 786 or pullback back down to this, oh shoot, back down to the 618, and then a rally up. Now they are getting listed on BitGet tomorrow, and they do plan on doing a heavy market push on the listing. And I do not deny that. They have a ton of partners that came out, and they're not afraid of spending that marketing wallet. They're very good at marketing. So we'll see what happens. But if you just look at the charts and pretend like you don't know that there's gonna be an exchange listing and all that tomorrow, just if you're just a straight chart person, the chart is bearish. The chart on the short term is a double top, and we would be expecting either a pullback to the 786 or a reset to the 618 for Baby Bonk. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the storyteller, because they're dropping their NFTs this week too. And I have a couple G's set aside. I'm gonna be a Baby Bonk whale. I am a Baby Bonk. Well, no, actually I'm not anymore, but I was a Baby Bonk whale, but then all the actual whales came in and bought a lot more coins than what I had and pumped the price. But I'm gonna be buying up some NFTs when they launch for sure. Have I looked at Casper's inscriptions yet? The market cap went from 20 million to Casper's inscriptions. Is that a coin? I traded the stock market last bull run. Is this your first time trading crypto during the bull run? Have you looked at Casper's inscriptions? Are you talking about just looking at Casper's, or is it actual coin? CSPRS inscriptions. I don't know what that is. Oh, they're like I have no idea. I didn't even know they could do anything like that. So instead of, they're like, yeah, I didn't even know Casper had things like that. That's pretty nuts. Yeah, I didn't even know that was a thing. Since BR had huge stakes in miners with having, I feel like this is going to be a quick fire sale. First time trading bull run crypto. Yeah, it's fun. I mean, I was in it last bull run because I've been in crypto since around 2017, 2018, but I didn't know anything last bull run. Like I was just watching random YouTubers. I didn't know how to chart. You know, I did not do well. I think we're set up really, really well. The stuff that we learned throughout this bear market, since, you know, I started actually learning how to do this stuff and spending hours and hours and hours learning this stuff, I think we're set up pretty good for this bull run now. Now, the last bull run, I was just bopping along, thinking I could toss money in and, you know, retire in a week or so, but wasn't the case. But we learned our lesson, man, and we're set up pretty dang good for this bull run. Like everything that I've learned here has just been from, you know, charting. I've read several books. I have all the books that I read. I have it posted in the Discord channel. All the lessons that I've watched or used, I have posted in the Discord channel. So everything that pretty much I have done, I have shared with you guys in the Discord channel. Let me see if I can pull it up. You actually go down to charting references in the Discord channel. You go down to charting references right here. You have all the books I read, the lessons, you know, a bunch of different lessons that I've used throughout the past and watched and learned. A bunch of different books that I've read. I did all this throughout the top of the bull run, throughout the bear market. On top of that, creating a YouTube channel at the top of the last bull run. So my YouTube channel's never seen a bull run either. My YouTube channel's only known price down on Bitcoin. So I'm excited to see what that actually brings for the channel. Maybe that'll actually bring in some decent revenue off YouTube itself. We'll see. I originally didn't make my YouTube channel to make revenue. I did it because I was tired of watching those YouTubers say, hey, this coin's going up 100x, when the thing had like a $1 billion market cap. They were just shilling coins and people were actually believing them. You know, there was hardly any realistic YouTubers out there. And then I found a couple realistic YouTubers that really motivated me. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to make my own channel too. And that's pretty much how my channel came to be back in 2000. What was it? December 16th, 2021. Yeah, December 16th, 2021 was when the channel was created. Lucked out Doge at 004 and Sol at 44. Nice. Yeah, we got into Sol. Well, during the bear market, I bought a large bag of Sol at 13, and then I doubled down when it touched $8. So we found some banger deals in this bear market. We found Sol when it was $8. We found Quant when it was $50. We shorted the Luna collapse. Man, I made so much money off shorting that Luna collapse, dude. But other than that, man, there really weren't a whole lot of opportunities to make money in the bear market. I mean, they were there, but they were few and far in between. They were few and far in between. But all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. The Lions games are starting in a half an hour. I need to get my my food situated and everything like that. I have my whole setup so I don't have to leave the TV. So I appreciate everybody tuning into the day stream. As always, none of this is financial advice. Once we start getting more bullish, I will be posting more updated videos on the stream. As of right now, just going to be sticking with live stream until Bitcoin decides what it's going to do. Most likely, maybe I'll make a few videos here and there, but we're really not going to full-blown kickstart it until Bitcoin actually does something. But all right, I appreciate everybody coming out today. Go Lions, and I'll catch you guys next time on Trading Crypto live stream. Thank you.